The mission of the National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, National Personal Protective Technology Laboratory, is to prevent work-related injury, illness, and death by advancing the state of knowledge and application of personal protective technologies. One unique aspect of our mission is our authority to certify respirators to protect the nation's workforce against inhalation hazards. Every day, millions of workers across America rely on respirators for protection on the job. Respirators are used in most industries, including industries such as agriculture, healthcare, mining, and firefighting. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health is part of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and is the federal organization responsible for preventing work-related injury, illness, and death. It's our job at NIOSH and PPTL to ensure that all respirators used in the workplace meet rigid quality and performance standards. In fact, all workplace respirators are required to be tested and approved by NIOSH before they are used in a workplace. Only then can they carry the NIOSH mark. Hundreds of applications for product certifications are submitted to NIOSH every year from across the globe. Yet only those that meet the NIOSH requirements, about 65% of those submitted, are granted approval. Worldwide, more than 100 approval holders manufacture NIOSH approved respirators for use in the United States internationally. What does it mean to be NIOSH approved? Manufacturers who want to market a respirator for workers in the United States must submit a comprehensive approval package consisting of performance tests, drawings, packaging and label specifications, detailed user instructions, respirator samples, and a quality plan for making the product, as well as a quality assurance manual for the entire manufacturing facility in which it's made. NIOSH carefully reviews the data and performs rigorous testing to quality, performance, and design specifications. If the product does not meet NIOSH standards, the product cannot be labeled and marketed as NIOSH approved. If the respirator meets NIOSH standards, the manufacturer receives a testing and certification number, which appears on the product label along with the NIOSH name. Once the product has been tested and certified by NIOSH, any future changes to the certification must be submitted to NIOSH for approval. Workers, as well as employers, can verify whether they are using genuine NIOSH-certified respirators. Simply find the TC number and check it against the list of approved respirators on the NIOSH website. But the NIOSH certification process does not stop there. Even after they are approved, respirators are monitored to ensure that they continue to meet uncompromising NIOSH standards. NIOSH and PPTL will investigate any workplace situation involving a NIOSH-certified respirator when a problem is found with an approved respirator, through product audits, reports by customers, test failures, and even reports from approval holders. Respirators are retested. If necessary, manufacturers are asked to make corrections to the product. In some cases, the respirators are recalled from the marketplace. Ensuring that all personal protective respirators meet uncompromising NIOSH standards is vital to the health and safety in the workplace, impacting not only American workers, but the ones they love. When it comes to personal protective respirators, know it's NIOSH approved and you can breathe easy.